An eagle can live up to 70 years. And every 40 years, once they reach 40 years, they have to make a tough decision. You know, when eagles grow older, its beak becomes bent. Maging yung kanyang mga claws, nawawalan na rin ng talas. At yung feathers niya, kumakapal ng kumakapal, bumibigat ng bumibigat. Meaning, mahihirapan itong eagle na mag-survive kung hindi siya magko-cope up dun sa nangyayari sa buhay niya. That's why, when an eagle reaches 40 years, he has to make a big decision for his life. For 150 days, ang gagawin niya, pupunta siya sa bundok. Tapos i-hit niya yung kanyang beak into a rock para masira to. So that pag nasira na ito or naputol na ito, mag-grow na ulit ito ng bago. At the same time, kapag nag-grow na yung kanyang beak, yun yung gagamitin niyang pangtanggal ng kanyang mga claws. Tapos kapag natanggal niya yung mga claws niya, tutubo na ulit yun. At the same time, yun na rin yung gagamitin niya to pluck out yung feathers na sobrang bigat na. Ano ba yung pwede natin matutunan dito? Tayo pala, kagaya din ng eagle, kailangan nating bitawan yung dating tayo in order for us to do something new. Marami sa buhay natin na kapag tumagal na, nagiging mabigat na, nagiging pahirap na for us to survive, for us to do what we want to do. Just like the eagle, kailangan nating maging mentally strong. Bakit? Because we really need to decide, at some point in our lives, to forget, the old you and become the new you. We have to make that decision if we want something to change in our life. Yung eagle, kung gusto niya na mamatay na lang, pwede naman Pero mas pinipili nila na magkaroon ng changes, even though it is very painful, even though it is very difficult. Kasi mahirap yun Sisirain mo yung beak mo, tatanggalin mo yung mga claws mo, tatanggalin mo rin yung mga feathers mo. Yung mga bagay na nakakabigat sa'yo, na for several years nandyan na sa buhay mo, tatanggalin mo. In order for you to grow and become stronger. Diba? Just like the eagle. Marami tayong mga bagay na alam natin nakakabigat lang sa atin. Mga habits, mga bisyo, mga bagay na hindi naman related sa gusto nating mangyari. So, we should decide at some point in our lives to take that all away and to focus more on the things that matter. Yung ating personal growth. Kailangan nating isakripisyo yung mga bagay na in order for us to really grow. Now, I'm gonna ask you, ano yung bagay na kaya mong isakripisyo for you to grow?